Hey guys, this is Jennifer from the Planner Punch. Welcome back to our channel. Today's plan with me is for the week of February 8th to 14th. That's Valentine's week. I'm using a kit from our shop. It's called I Meow You. So stay tuned. So I know we've been pretty MIA on YouTube and haven't really uploaded any videos since I believe it was prior to Thanksgiving that we uploaded our last video, and I'm really sorry about that. Frankly, there was a lot going on in our lives, and things were pretty hectic and really busy. But I'm gonna be try and be more consistent with our YouTube uploads this time around, and I hope you guys will stick around for more videos. So I started by laying down my base. I put down the bottom washi first and then moved to the headers. The kit comes with 4 sets of glitter headers and 4 sets of patterned headers. So that's a lot of options to choose from. Some of the headers are scalloped and those were fun to use, especially while planning the day to day. I somehow lost some footage while I was laying down the date covers. I don't know how. I think my camera just stopped recording, or maybe I forgot to press the record button. I have no idea. But we'll just have to do without it. I hope you guys don't mind. For the sidebar, I used one of the full boxes with the quote or phrase, love is in the air. I think that was perfect for Valentine's week. There isn't much happening this week. It's primarily more work than anything else. But I do have some personal errands that I have to run. So you'll see me in a bit laying down one of the checklist boxes from the kit. I'm just going to use this as a sort of running list of everything that I have to do on the personal front this week. I also laid down 2 habit trackers to track my workouts and no spend days. You'll see these are the scalloped headers that I was talking about earlier, which are again from the kit. And I use those to separate the habit trackers. And after the second, laying down the second habit tracker, you'll see me use one of the heart dividers that come in the kit. I just noticed while doing this voiceover that the header on top of the checklist box is slightly off center, and I didn't notice it at the time while planning, but now that I'm noticing it, it's bugging the hell out of me. So anyway, moving on to the day by day. February the 8th is my sister Christina's birthday. She turned 31 this year and she loves her birthdays. I mean, she loves her birthdays. So I started off Monday by marking her birthday with a floral patterned half box and this balloon decor sticker from the kit. I only had one other work meeting on Monday at 12 in the afternoon, so that I marked using this meeting box thingamajiggy and the clock sticker from the kit again. I then used one of the scalloped glitter headers from the kit and laid down a full box underneath that. Like I said, I didn't have too much happening this week, so I needed to fill up some space. That evening, we had a family dinner to celebrate Christina's birthday. We celebrated by making her cook for us. She made some absolutely divine chicken biryani. I don't know if you guys have ever had chicken biryani, but if you have, comment below and let me know. Christina makes the best chicken biryani I have ever had. She actually got the recipe from my fiance's mother, but of course, now she's an expert in her own right. So, to mark her birthday dinner, I used one of these fancy boxes from the kit along with a floral deco piece to go with that. The space at the bottom of Monday looked a bit empty, so I put down a patterned washi header. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm not so sure that I like it. Moving on to Tuesday, after a pretty relaxing Monday, it was back to work on Tuesday. So I marked that with a scalloped corner sticker and a work script. I had 2 meetings that day with a couple of new clients. So that I marked using 2 full boxes. You'll see me lay the second one down in a bit. I also had to pay my cell phone bill, which was due that day. So I marked that using a bill due sticker from the kit. Last month I forgot to pay my cell phone bill, and that's why I used the don't forget header right above the bill due sticker. The rest of the day was pretty chilled, so I just used another full box at the bottom with a scalloped glitter header. I put the full box down first just so I could see how much space I was working with. For Wednesday, I started by laying down this full box, which is my favorite full box in this kit. I love how the pink stands out against the black. Wednesday is work from home day, so I marked that using a scalloped half circle below a today header. I then used a work from home script and placed a laptop sticker over that. There is a ton of stuff to do on Wednesday, so I used a full box checklist to write down a to do list for Wednesday. One of the things that I have to do is to edit this video and record this voiceover, which I am doing right now. So that's at least two things that I can cross off my list. Wednesday is takeout night. So I marked that using two floral washi headers, which I laid one over the other, and then use the order takeout script and the takeout box sticker. I will hopefully have some time to myself on Wednesday evening, and I'm hoping to watch The Queen's Gambit. Everyone's raving about it, so I thought I'd check it out and see what it's about. If any of you guys have seen it, let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not, either way. So to mark that, I used a quarter box from the kit and the TV icon sticker. So on Thursday, again, I have work and also two meetings with a couple of clients. So again, I used the work script and layered that over the corner scalloped sticker on the top. I also used two half boxes to mark the two meetings I have on Thursday. And you'll see later on that I go back and I add some deco to those half boxes. It's a little later in the video towards the end. I also put down another full box in the middle of Thursday and placed a floral scalloped header on the top and bottom of the full box, sort of like a frame. Um, at the end of Thursday, I then put down a mini to-do list just to have a running list of a few little things that I have to do around the house once I go back home. I then put down my weekend banner over Saturday and Sunday. So the kit comes with a Hello Weekend script. You can either use the whole thing or just the weekend script. So it comes as two separate, like it's hello separately and then weekend separately. There's also a patterned rectangular sticker that you can use as a background for the weekend script, like I did. Or you can just experiment with some layering using the decor stickers that come with the kit. I then put down the remaining three full boxes on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Like I said, I don't have much happening on those days, so I just use the full boxes to kind of take up space and, of course, look pretty. So at the bottom of Friday, I put down a checklist to mark a list of stuff that I have to get done for the shop. I need to upload some new kits that Christina has designed for spring. I also need to print and cut the kit I'm going to use for next week's Plan With Me. So guys, do subscribe and stay tuned for that. I would really appreciate you clicking on that subscribe button. I then used a flag which has these cute little tiny pink hearts on it and layered a Friday script over that because, well, it's Friday. Since I had some space left on Friday, I used another half box and put that down there. My fiance and I generally always do something or the other on Friday night. So once we decide what we're going to do, I'll probably mark that using that half box there. On Saturday, I just put down two scalloped headers and layered a sleep-in script over that because that is exactly what I plan to do on Saturday morning. Other than that, Saturday is going to be pretty chill. I plan to catch up on some reading, which I marked using the patterned quarter box and layered a deco sticker over that. I'll also do some chores that need to get done around the house, maybe go grocery shopping and stuff like that. Sunday, of course, is Valentine's Day, which I marked with two scalloped half circles, which I laid down to form a circle and then layered a Valentine's Day script with that heart sticker. I think it turned out pretty darn cute. We've also got dinner plans on Sunday evening to celebrate our fifth Valentine's Day together. I marked that using another half box from the kit. Thinking back, I wish I had marked the Valentine's dinner with one of those fancy boxes that I also used that to mark Christina's birthday dinner on Monday, so I wish I'd used the same one to mark my Valentine's Day dinner. But anyway, silly me, I didn't think of it back then, so it's just gonna stay as it is for now. That's all for this plan with me, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.